Face Neck Cream with SPF 30. This day cream face cream with SPF is supercharged with the age-defying technology from No7's clinically proven Multi Action Serum for younger-looking, revitalized face and neck in 2 weeks. Brightening, Nourishing Ingredients. This SPF face moisturizer for mature skin is made with No7's unique anti-wrinkle, firming and brightening complexes to fortify and nourish the skin, making it much more targeted than your average vitamin C brightening cream. This face neck cream makes a great addition to any skincare regimen. Sun Protective Formula. Not only does this skin-firming face cream contain age-defying collagen peptides that are naturally anti-aging, it also includes No7's Double Defense technology and SPF 30. Moisturizer with sunscreen benefits. This moisturizer face cream with hydrating hyaluronic acid works to defend and protect skin from harmful UV rays and environmental stressors. Pair this daily day cream that can be paired with our daily Restore Renew Night Cream for 24-hour face and neck care. Empowering women since 1935. No7 offers women luxurious and glamorous beauty, like this day cream for dry skin and mature skin, at an affordable price. Our products give women the support, confidence and momentum to live life on their own terms. Discover more face cream products like this moisturizer with SPF at the No7 Amazon store. Top reviews from the United States. Makes a difference. Already notice a difference after just 1 week. The lines on my 65-year-old face are smoothing out and my eyelids and neck are firming up. My sensitive skin loves this face cream. Fragrance-free.